wish to welcome us all to this Zambia European Union Pharmaceuticals Manufacturers Forum. The theme is very clear: strengthen healthcare through local pharmaceuticals manufacturing. Many meetings have taken place, culminating into today's forum. We need to close these discussions into what I call transactions. Investment will bring growth. Investment will bring jobs. Investment will bring business opportunities in the supply chain.
This forum is only a milestone in a much larger action that would eventually replace the Made in EU with Made in Zambia.
It's not only pharmaceutical industry that's going to come up. When it comes up, there are other ancillary industries that are going to benefit as well. Packaging, printing, distribution, retail sales.
I think it's a very important step for the pharmaceutical industry in Zambia, and I'm very happy that German companies are part of it.
It is encouraging that the 8th National Development Plan has put an ambitious target to increase the availability of essential drugs and medicine supplies to at least 90% fill rates by 2026.
Any turbulence or disturbances within the global supply chain, as evidenced by the COVID-19 pandemic, will lead to disruptions and unavoidable shortages of key medicines and medical supplies.
Up to today, we have not recovered from the supply chain disruption that was occasioned by the COVID. Partly that's what reinforced our thinking.
The Ministry of Health has identified availability of essential medicines and medical supplies as one of the key pillars to catalyze and facilitate the attainment of the universal health coverage.
The medicines or medicinal products are not just ordinary goods that one can start dealing in. They require a special kind of handling in terms of regulation and so forth. So ZAMRA is there to ensure that these commodities are of quality, safe and effective.
The three facets or principles that our government wants to ride on how we deliver services and goods: quality, timely delivery, and right price.
We have managed to sign a memorandum of understanding with a Spanish company called FredLab to establish a medical hub in Zambia that will have the best of technology that will allow us to ensure stability of supply and delivery of essential medicines in Zambia and the region.
We have all the top-level commitment that a company needs. We have a safe environment to operate in and government commitment and all the things that investors look forward to having in the place. So this is the opportunity.
Zambia, with 8 neighboring countries, with COMESA, is definitely strategically located. They should leverage on their strategic location in Southern Africa.
When a company comes from Europe and sets up in Zambia, you have an immediate market of almost 600 million consumers. So this is a hub for creating manufacturing firms, pharmaceuticals and other sectors.
We would like to work with domestic private sector who know the story better, and then work with the new investors.
It is the private sector that trades. It is the private sector that invests.
If they set up in a multi-facility economic zones, they'll get 10-year tax holidays, no tax on dividends for 10 years, no tax on profits for 10 years. So that's a very conducive environment. Zambia is the place to make, it's the place to do business.
Academic institutions play a key role when it comes to issues to do with research. And research is a key component of manufacturing. So in 5 years from now, where I see the pharmaceutical sector in Zambia is production of not only essential medicines from within, but also vaccines and production of novel pharmaceutical products in Zambia.
The European Union has been, is, and will be standing with the Zambian people, and it is my duty to make sure that they will benefit of as many of our own development cooperation initiatives, as for instance the manufacturing and access to vaccines, medicines and health technologies in Africa program, the so-called MAF+.